Synology Inc. is a Taiwanese corporation that specializes in network-attached storage appliances. Synology Euro unregistered trademark S line of NAS are known as the Diskstation for desktop models, and RackStation for rack-mount models. Synology's products are distributed worldwide and localized in several languages. Synology's headquarters are located in Taipei, Taiwan, with subsidiaries located around the world. Company history: Synology Inc. was founded in January 2000, when Qin Liao and Philip Wong left Microsoft to pursue an independent project. Liao was a development manager in the Microsoft Exchange Server Group, while Wong was a sales director for Microsoft in Taiwan. Both began to write a new operating system called Filer OS based on BSD, which is to be used with faster NAS hardware to create a NAS solution. To integrate their NAS software tightly with hardware, Synology released its first complete solution in 2004, the Diskstation DS101. Since the release of its first Diskstation, Synology Inc. has grown to about 250 employees worldwide, with the mission of making enterprise functions affordable and usable for small businesses. Both Liao and Wong are still with the company, with Liao serving as president of Synology America Corporation and Wong serving chairman of Synology Inc. Company milestones: January 2000, Synology Inc. founded. March 2003, research and development started for Diskstation Manager, based on the Linux kernel, Diskstation DS101. March 2004, Diskstation DS101 launched. March 2005, Diskstation DS101G is launched. Synology Euro unregistered trademark S first SATA-based NAS. May 2006, first Synology 4-bay NAS is released, christened the QubeStation CS406 along with a rack-mounted version, the RackStation RS406. The RS406 is Synology Euro unregistered trademark S first product where its hard drives are hot swap capable. The name QubeStation is currently no longer used on Synology's products and was present only for products released during 2006 and 2007. June 2006, Synology America Corporation opens in Bellevue, Washington, United States. October 2006, launch of Synology Community Forum, a place where users can gather and post tips, tricks, and ask questions regarding how to use the Diskstation in their environments. October 2007, launch of Synology Wiki, an extension of the Synology Community Forum, a place where community users, and Synology, can document various procedures in using the Diskstation on the network. February 2008, Synology UK Limited opens in Milton Keynes, England, United Kingdom. March 2008, release of DSM 2.0. First DSM to feature AJAX-based technology and a complete redesign of the DSM GUI. Added an additional capability, surveillance station, effectively converting the Diskstation into a network video recorder. April 2008, first Diskstation to feature 5 bays, the DS508, is released. The DS508 is the first Diskstation to have its hard drives be hot swap capable. March 2009, DSM 2.1 is released. New features: GUI update, RAID 5 Plus spare support, JBOD support, and storage scalability. DS509 Plus and RS409 Plus released as storage scalable models, with their companion expansion enclosures, the DX5 and RX4. September 2009, DSM 2.2 is released. New features: ISTC target support, iPhone mobile access, additional management tools. January 2010, first Diskstation to use x86 architecture is released, the Diskstation DS1010 Plus. March 2010, DSM 2.3 is released. New features: Synology Hybrid RAID, encrypted shared folders, support for mobile surveillance. September 2010, DSM 3.0 is released, the first desktop-style, multitasking DSM GUI. New features: completely revamped GUI supporting multitasking management, Windows ACLs, ext4, improved ISTC support, support for ONVIF and PSIA cameras, and IP cameras up to 50MP. March 2011, DSM 3.1 is released. New features, support for virtual volumes, new backup synchronization, improved support for iOS and Android devices, and updated search analytics for surveillance station. April 2011, Synology Euro. The official blog launches, where opinions and editorials of IT technology are discussed by various Synology employees. May 2011, Synology GmbH opens in Darwin-Quartersdorf, North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. June 2011, Synology released the XS series for Diskstation RackStation, capable of 10 GBE, reaching over 100,000 IOPS, over 1,000 megabytes per second, and scalable to over 100 TB. September 2011, DSM 3.2 is released. New features, LDAP directory support, integrated HTML5 and CSS3, improved SHR volume build speed, improved support for Mac OS X Line. February 2012, Synology launches DS1812 Plus, Synology Euro unregistered trademark S first native 8-bay scalable disk station that can scale to 18 bays worth of storage, up to 72 TB with 4 TB hard drives. March 2012, DSM 4.0 is released. New features, GUI refresh, Cloud Station to synchronize files between various client computers, Package Center for managing modular DSM applications, enhanced mobile device support including Amazon Kindle Fire, and fisheye camera support in surveillance station. Synology France SARL opens in Suresnes, France. August 2012, DSM 4.1 is released. New features, full VMware-ESXi 5.0 VAAI support, Cloud Station syncs files up to 5 GB in size, FXP support, additional resource management tools, additional analytics, GUI update for surveillance station, updated multimedia streaming capabilities. March 2013, Synology France moves from Suresnes, France to Courbevoie, France. DSM 4.2 is released. New features, LUN snapshot and clone, global hot spare disks, SMART. Test scheduler, volume creation and expansion enhancements, performance improvements on AFP, network backup, OISNC, share folder sync, addition of SMB2, TFTP, PXE, two-step verification, and other management improvements. August 2013, DSM 4.3 is released. New features, support for Windows ODX, SSD cache, SSD trim, trust domain support for ADS, improved LDAP support, NFSv4, IPv6 for NFSv3 and NFSv4, HFS Plus support, SMB improvements for directory listing and EFS, and other DSM management improvements. January 2014, DSM 5.0 beta is released. March 2014, DSM 5.0 is released. September 2014, DSM 5.1 beta is released. November 2014, DSM 5.1 is released. Product overview, Synology Diskstation Manager. Synology Euro unregistered trademark S primary product is the Synology Diskstation Manager, a Linux-based software package that is the operating system for the Diskstation and RackStation products. The Synology DSM is the foundation of the Diskstation, which integrates the basic functions of file sharing, centralized backup, RAID storage, multimedia streaming, virtual storage, and using the Diskstation as a network video recorder. Synology also provides free mobile applications for its users, including support for iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and Kindle Fire. Synology offers frequent updates to its DSM, with major updates happening twice a year and minor updates throughout the year. As of August 2013, Synology has provided these updates free of charge, and they are available for disk stations for as long as the hardware can support the newer functions of the DSM. Synology Diskstation, The Synology Diskstation is the network-attached storage appliance which is produced to run the Synology DSMOs. The Diskstation is a pedestal tower embedded NAS appliance, which ranges from 1 bay to as many as 12 bays within a single enclosure. Some models feature storage scalability, where physical units may be tethered together for additional storage, without the need for volume recreation or loss of availability. Synology RackStation. The Synology RackStation is a rack-mounted version of the Diskstation, that features all of the same abilities of the Diskstation with the exception that it is meant to be enclosed in a 19-inch rack cage. Some of Synology's rack models feature redundant power supplies. As with its desktop-oriented brethren, select models of the RackStation also feature storage scalability. User community. Synology's software architecture is conducive to third-party integration. Hundreds of ported and original applications have complemented Synology's own catalog. Command line access via SSH or Telnet is readily available. Access to development tools and APIs are also freely available on Synology's website. Third-party applications are either written in an interpreted programming language such as PHP, and therefore run on all models despite hardware differences, or compiled to binary format. These native applications are available on various websites. Public APIs allow custom applications to fit seamlessly into Synology's own web-based user interface. Installers using the SPK format can install third-party applications directly from within the DSMOS itself. References. External links. Synology Incorporated. Synology Official Forum, Synology Wiki, Synology The Official Blog, Synology Product Reviews.